Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you will be okay. And students, today we will study, we will read the chapter number 16, 17 chapter, and that one is the adverbs. We will study this chapter. Adverbs, do you know adverbs? In previous classes you have idea, you have the studies that you have done, something you have learned from there, that what are the adverbs and how can we understand that these words are the adverbs. You all have you all have learned in previous classes, but in class, in this period, I am going to explain you properly that what is the adverbs, how can we understand the, how can we use the adverbs, how many types of the adverbs. We will study all these in this topic. First of all, topic is the adverbs, and the second thing is, what do you know about adverbs? Adverb is a word which adverb is a word which qualifies an adjective. Adverb is a word which qualifies an adjective, a verb, or another adverbs. Another adverbs, that is the adverb. It means adverbs or words are qualified, modify the adjective, verb, and adverb also. That is the adverb. All the words are the adverbs. Example, I want that book now. Now. I want that book now. So here is now is the adverb. And second example, the story is very interesting. So interesting. This one is the interest is interesting, but adverb is the very. Very is the adverb. So it is the use of that word which tell the manner of the adverbs of manner, which tells about adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of degrees. There are many types of the adverbs. Adverbs, if you are knowing, reading, learning about that verb, knowing something about that verb, then you will make the proper sentence, proper use of the adverbs in your sentences, in your speaking and reading anything else. So we are going to know the adverbs and types of the adverbs. The exact idea of the adverbs you have understood, that adverb is a word which qualifies, which modifies an adjective. It means the meaning of adjective, something added. The adverb added something in the meaning of adjective, meaning of a verb, meaning of another adverb, which if something is adding, something is doing different and making the meaning of the words different with the help of this one, then you can understand that this is the adverb. For example, I want that book, मैं वो book चाहता हूँ. Now मतलब अभी, it means it has been changed the situation, it has been the showing the time. आई वॉन्ट दैट बुक, मैं वो बुक चाहता हूँ, लेकिन देयर इज नो टाइमिंग, देयर इज नो फिक्स. बट इफ नाउ you will use, then you can understand that it has, this word has changed the meaning of all the sentence. Clear? This is the use of adverb. We can understand that adverbs is adding something to meaning in the verb, adjective, or another verb. Clear? There are many types of the adverbs. There are several types of the adverbs. The first one is the adverbs of time. First one is the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. It means the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us something about the time and an action happen. An action happens. Adverbs of time tell us something about the an action happens. कोई कार्य जो होता है, जो घटित होता है, उसके बारे में एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम हमको बताता है. और वो दे कैन आंसर द क्वेश्चन when they can answer the question when. Adverbs of time can give the answer of the when. When will you ask the question with the adding, with the use of the when, then you can understand that here is the adverbs of time has been used. For example, are you going to Singapore tomorrow? First one example, are you going to Singapore tomorrow? Are you going to Singapore tomorrow? This one is the tomorrow is the adverbs of time. Why? When are you going to Singapore? When are you going to Singapore? When? It means I have been added the when. That's why we got this one. Tomorrow, and tomorrow is the adverbs of time. If we want to know adverbs of time, then we will have to ask the question with the help of when. Then we will get the adverbs of time. Tomorrow is the adverbs of time, because when are you going to Singapore? I am asking like that. When are you going to Singapore? Then we will get this one, and this one tomorrow is the adverbs of time. And other example, leave this place now. And other example, leave this place now. Second example, leave this place now. Leave this place now. When will you leave this place? When? I am asking the question, when will you leave this place? I am asking with the help of when. Then we will get this one now. So this one now is the adverbs of time. Another example, come back later. Come back later. Come back later. बाद में वापस आइए. When back, when will you come back? When will you come back? आप कब आएंगे? कब आएंगे? Later, बाद में आएंगे. It is the adverbs of time. Clear? So with the help of when, we will ask the question, we will put the question, then we will get the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time are like this. Clear? And next one is the adverb of place. After using the adverbs of time, next one is the adverb of place. Second is the adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place, adverb of place is, adverb of place tell us about the place where something happens. Where something happens, adverb of place tell us about that place. For example, they answer the question. They answer the question. They answer the question. they they answered the question where. Adverb of place answer the question where. where क्वेश्चंस का आंसर जो है एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस देता है. जैसे सुमित वॉकेड अवे. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज सुमित वॉकेड अवे. वेयर सुमित वॉकेड अवे. Where Sumit walked, it means I am asking the question with the where use, with the use of where. Where with the use of where Sumit walked, then away. Sumit walked away. Away is the adverb of place. Away is the adverb of place. Away is the adverb of place. And next one is the example is my elder brother is out. 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 Where is my elder brother? I am asking with the help of where. Then it will be where is my elder brother? Where is my elder brother? This is the question. Where is my elder brother? Where my elder brother is out. Out is the adverb of place. Out is the adverb of place. Out is the adverb of place. Next one, he looked up. Many examples you can understand with the help of where. And where will tell you that there are the adverbs of place. जैसे he looked up. He looked up. Question, where did he look? Where did he look? He looked up. वो कहाँ देखा उसने? ऊपर की तरफ देखा. It is the adverb of place. It is showing the physical place, physical status. I want to sit somewhere. Next example. Many examples are given. You can understand with the help of adverb of place with the help of where. If you will ask the question with where, then you will get that which is the adverb of place, which word is the adverb of place. Clear? Next one is the adverbs of manner. Third one is the adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. It means adverbs of manner. Manner means ढंग होता है, तरीका होता है. Adverbs of manner tell us about the something, about the way something happens. किस तरीके से, किस ढंग से कोई चीज घटित होती है, कोई घटना होती है, कोई बात होती है. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हमको वो बताता है, उसके बारे में बताता है. कैसे? एंड दे कैन आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ. कैसे? दे कैन आंसर. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर कैन गिव द आंसर हाउ. हाउ का आंसर वो दे सकता है. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. कैसे? वॉक क्विकली. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, walk quickly. Adverbs of manner. This one is the adverbs of manner. How he walk, how how he walk. For example, I am asking like that, then it will be walk. He walks quickly. He walks quickly. Quickly is the adverbs of manner. It means we will ask, we will put the question with the help of how, then we will get the adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner we will get. Run fast. How he runs fast, how he runs fast. It means fast is the adverbs of manner. It means if you are asking the question with the help of how, then you will get the adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner, it means it is the showing the structure of the adverbs and types of the adverbs. Third types of the adverbs of manner have been done. And next one, adverbs of degrees. Fourth, adverbs of degrees. Fourth is the adverbs of degrees. Adverbs of degrees, fourth one. This one is the adverbs of degrees. Tell us the degrees. Tell us the degrees, or extend to which something happens. They can answer the question how much. Adverbs of degrees, adverbs of degrees tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. जो कुछ भी घटित होता है उसको बढ़ाकर कहना या उसकी डिग्रीज को शो करना. दैट इज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. उसके स्तर को शो करना. और उसके कह सकते हैं कि एक तरीके से जो उसका स्तर है वो कितनी मात्रा में, क्वांटिटी जो है किसी कार्य को, किसी घटना के होने की क्वांटिटी क्या है. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज उसी को शो करता है. दे कैन आंसर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाउ मच. Adverb of degrees can give the answer of the question how much. How much question का आंसर adverb of degrees दे सकता है. जैसे सुषमा completely cleaned my cupboard. Example, सुषमा completely cleaned my cupboard. Sushma completely cleaned my cupboard. Adverbs of degrees. How much Sushma cleaned my cupboard. How much Sushma cleaned my cupboard. सुषमा ने हमारा कपबोर्ड जो है कितना साफ किया. कितना, पूरा का पूरा. कंप्लीटली मीन्स क्या होता है, पूरा, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. तो इट इज द डिग्रीज, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. नेक्स्ट वन इज द ही इज दे हार्डली न्यू अबाउट द कंपटीशन. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. दे हार्डली न्यू about the competition. Adverbs of degrees. They hardly knew about the competition. So hardly is the adverb of degrees. बहुत मुश्किल से वो कंपटीशन के बारे में जानते थे. इट मीन्स बहुत थोड़ा. हाउ मच, कितना वो कंपटीशन के बारे में जानते थे. हार्डली बहुत थोड़ा जानते थे, बहुत कम जानते थे. बहुत मुश्किल से जानते होंगे. सो दिस इज द डिग्रीज, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. इट इज शोइंग द हाउ मच. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. Next one and last one is the, according to your syllabus, last one is the adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency, it means frequency means how many times, it means time, many times. फ्रीक्वेंसी इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं बार बार किसी चीज को करना, कितनी बार करना, कितने नंबर्स, कितनी संख्या में हो जाना. सो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी टेल अस हाउ ऑफन समथिंग हैपन. कोई चीज कितनी बार होती है, कितनी टाइम कोई घटना घटित होती है, कोई मैटर, कोई बात होती है. दैट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज शोइंग दिस वन, हाउ मेनी, यू नो, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी टेल अस हाउ ऑफन समथिंग हैपन. कोई कितनी बार प्राय घटित होता है, घटना होती है. जैसे आई ऑफन थिंक ऑफ विजिटिंग केरला. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई often think of visiting Kerala. I often think of visiting Kerala. It means often. I always think. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं केरला जाने के बारे में. It means it is showing the adverb of frequency. आप क्या करते हैं, कितनी बार सोचते हैं, प्राय मैं सोचता रहता हूं केरला जाने के बारे में. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द किंग समटाइम्स ट्रेवल्ड इन डिसगाइज्ड. समटाइम इज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. नेक्स्ट वन, आरिफ रेयरली गॉट ए चांस. आरिफ रेयरली गॉट ए चांस टू मीट हिज अंकल. आरिफ रेयरली गॉट ए चांस टू मीट हिज अंकल. आरिफ अपने अंकल से मिलने के लिए आरिफ को बहुत कम समय मिलता था, या बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता था वो. ऑफन ही डिड नॉट मीट हिज अंकल. ही रेयरली गॉट अ चांस टू मीट हिज अंकल. हु? आरिफ. इट मीन्स यहां पर रेयरली इज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. रेयरली इट मीन्स मुश्किल से, बहुत कम. सो आरिफ रेयरली got a chance to meet his uncle. आरिफ बहुत मुश्किल से उसको अपने अंकल से मिलने का मौका मिलता था. इट मीन्स वेरी फ्यू. तो एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफन, रेयरली, समटाइम्स, नेवर, all these are the adverbs of frequency. So we have done the adverbs today. Adverbs of time, adverbs of, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degrees. All these we have done. And only 5 types of the adverbs we have studied today. And there are many uses of the adverbs. So read the adverbs yourself once again and cross check with the other examples and do the exercise whatever given in your book, exercise A, B, C, D. So I am going to tell you exercise A. Exercise A is given. For example, first one is sweet, quite tasty rain. Sweet, quite tasty rain. Sweet, quite tasty, tasty, rain. So identify the adverbs. Identify the adverbs. Identify the adverbs. यहां नीचे दिए गए जो वर्ड्स हैं इनमें से आपको एडवर्ब्स को क्या करना है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है. स्वीट, इट इज नॉट एडवर्ब्स. क्वाइट इज द एडवर्ब्स. इट इज नॉट एडवर्ब्स. इट इज नॉट एडवर्ब्स. ओनली दिस वन इज द एडवर्ब्स. एंड व्हिच एडवर्ब डू यू नो? दिस वन इज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, सेकेंड थिंग्स, एग्जाम्पल ए. In second, exercise, chilly, neatly, silly, simply. Chilly, neatly, silly, simply, imply, silly, imply. So this is the adverbs of what? What is this one? Adverbs of, adverbs of neatly, completely, quickly, gently, run fast. Adverbs of manner it will be. And next one is the here, bear, fear. Third one is the here, bear, fear. So this one is the adverb of place. So in exercise A, you will do the exercises according to your book, whatever given. Today we have done the adverbs. We have done the adverbs. Adverbs, एक ऐसा शब्द है जो वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजक्शन, नाउन तथा प्रोनाउन आदि को की विशेषता बतलाता है. उनकी जो विशेषता, समथिंग एल्स, समथिंग स्पेशल, समथिंग ही विल चेंज समथिंग टू मीनिंग ऑफ द ऑल दीज. Adverb is a word which qualifies an adjective, a verb, a preposition, a conjunction, a noun and a pronoun. जैसे आपका he runs fast, तो fast is the adverb. And the next one is the I write slowly is the adverb. तो adverbs के ढेर सारे, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degrees, adverbs of frequency. There are many types of adverbs. You will read the adverbs once again by yourself and think about the idea and proper information about the adverb so that you can clear your doubts and hesitation. Okay, we have done the adverbs today itself. Okay, all of you, goodbye.